How to create Binance account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply search for Binance on your browser and open it up, and this is where it will take you. Now over here you need to simply click on this option of sign up, and after that you need to require your email address, or you can also utilize your Google account in order to sign up. Just simply use your email. You would be getting a code on your email. You need to confirm that particular code. After providing some of your details like your name, password, your email, you would be getting an account on Binance. It is as simple as that. But in order to verify your account or do the KYC, you need to provide some more details like your PAN card or the legal documents of the country where you are situated at. Just simply provide these documents, and you would also require to provide your photo, and it will be a live photo. And after that it is KYC'd and you can perform all the tasks on Binance, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.